We're on a bit of a hot streak at the moment. Be careful, you might get burnt.
Oh, have a look at this roof.
Oh, look, let's not just even go there.
Come on.
Yeah, shut up.
Where?
I'm ready to burn this whole place down. I think that might be easier.
You realise, boys, that this is your last Shirley Bassey week?
I think so, yeah. What does that mean?
How good's the carpet look? It's the best carpet on the block, no doubt about it.
Great day.
Hey, boys. Have some hotcakes, boys. Where's the syrup, Dan?
Oh, it all to Mel because she wouldn't let me hire a Tyler.
After rain leaked into the building yesterday morning, the gyprock sheets in this part of the ensuite are wet.
It's the waterproofing on the walls they haven't taken. They're soaking wet, so everything's kind of peeled off.
Take it all off.
What?
Take the walls off, take everything off, start again.
After a day where they had to rip down the gyprock in their ensuite and start again, they've managed to get it waterproofed for the second time.
Thanks, guys.
But waterproof just left. Now we just be a drying time on it, so hopefully it dries by this evening so that we could possibly start tiling.
Mate, we're buggered if we don't do this floor tonight. Really, we are.
Yeah.
We really are. We're out of the game if we don't do this floor tonight.
Hello?
Hey, mate.
Waterproof is dry, everything's ready to go. I called my friend Keithy.
I will help you guys out.
What? Really?
Come and pick me up, let me know when you're at the front.
Yeah.
I'll come out, and then you guys have to drop me straight back off.
Oh, I love
Easy,
you,
done.
Keithy. You're the best. How's it looking, bud?
Is this a footprint?
Hey?
I can't approve that. There's a footprint. No, that's all right, mate, joking.
Yeah, waterproofing's dry.
All right, you guys start tiling while I go and have a steak.
We're doing our wall tiles. We had a beautiful navy feature wall tile. Probably 2/3 of the way through putting the navy feature wall tile on, only to discover that we only received half of the tiles we needed.
Oh, no, don't tell me that.
And the other half are not available in the country until Tuesday afternoon.
OK, so we're going to start pulling all these tiles off.
We had to rip all those feature wall tiles off, find a new tile.
This is a tile in the navy blue.
Sure.
Yeah? Done?
Yep. In the block, there's no next week. It's this week, or forget it.
Beaumont Tiles have saved the day by coming through with some replacement tiles for the ensuite. Much anticipated blue feature wall in the ensuite is almost complete.
Our tilers worked like demons today. These new feature tiles are a small subway, and to get those things up there in an hour and a half.
An hour and a half. 12 square metres of tiling, an hour and a half.
And they look beautiful.
Week in and week out, we come in with the same conversation about your budget,
Yeah, yeah.
obviously. And it is looking, more
Grim.
dire than it was even last week.
Because we talked about your plaster bill.
Yeah.
That for the rest of the bill.
Yes, yeah.
Basically, we need plaster on these walls to get a certificate of occupancy in order to sell the house.
If we can get it plastered, we can go to auction.
Yep.
So his estimate was about 40 grand to finish off the
That sounds
rooms.
about right.
At the moment, you've only got about 35K left.
Fair income, there is no more cash. Got to get that 40 down to 30.
Yep.
Yeah.
And so you got to work with the plasterer and go, what do you need me to do to get your price down?
Yeah, definitely.
And then you got to, without trades, you got to do it yourself, get ahead of him. Because as far as I can see, you haven't got enough to have anybody else here.
No.
Yeah, that's it.
So there is no more trades after this week.
Yep.
None.
No.
You haven't got the coin to
no.
put the lights in or anything like that, or cabling.
No.
Only your plasterer.
Yep.
Because we've got to get this joint plastered.
We've been trying hard. We've been trying to win every week. We do the best we can, and yeah, it's definitely hard getting told that it's not good enough.
So we've got to work towards getting you guys across the line somehow. You can sell this joint with just plaster, without power. But if you can keep ahead of your plasterer for this final push, then his bill will come down. And then you'll have some cash to do the sparky work.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look, I'm feeling so much for you guys right now.
We're not going to win this week. We're not going to win next week or the week after because we've got no money. It's hard. It's really, really, really hard.